Hey everyone, Attorney Chris Sullivan, CLS Law Group. Thanks for checking in. So, some of you may have seen our recent rebranding to CLS WINS from AZ Trial Counsel. And why do we call it CLS WINS? Now, a lot of my friends and attorneys out there tend to kind of bust my chops a little bit and say, oh yeah, you win, right? That's important. It's all about win, win, win. And so I want to clarify that. So yes, winning is important, and we do win cases all the time, inside and out of court. So don't ever look past that. But the bigger picture about calling ourselves, or at least our tagline, CLS WINS, is that small incremental wins are super important. We might see your standard like rear end Cairo type accident all the way, we run the gamut to some serious injury cases that happen like on a job site or construction accidents, things like that, boating accidents. And when we see serious injuries, think about, how different those are than your standard accident, right? As typical accident for somebody, it's just kind of a mere inconvenience. But when you have serious injuries, that one instant changes your entire life. All of a sudden, you might not be able to work. You can't, just go out to a ball game like you used to. You might not be able to drive. Now you're dependent on other people. You're taken out of your typical environment where you're not going to work every day. Now you got to go see doctors and specialists. And for a lot of clients we have, unfortunately, for a time, and hopefully it's not permanent, but they end up kind of locked in the house and locked in their own head dealing with things. And so that's where CLS WINS came from. What is important to these folks, and what I know through experience, is that getting incremental successes, small incremental successes, small incremental wins are what can help bring somebody back. Getting the right lawyer, getting on the phone and getting some answers, are building your case and keeping you updated and letting you know, hey, got some great information, hired a new expert, we're going to refer you out to a specialist, health insurance or no health insurance, we got that problem solved, your property damage, things are moving. These are small incremental wins that are very important to the client's case, to the client personally, both from a physical and a mental perspective, right? Especially mental, I think. Having that assurance that you've got the right team and that they're helping you get the right wins. And that's why you'll constantly hear me say CLS WINS, and so will you. It is very, very important that you get these successes, that you get the right legal team, that you put yourself back in the driver's seat, because you've probably been through an experience that has taken the power away from you, or at least it feels that way. I didn't control this. I didn't mean for this to happen. And all of a sudden, this person's actions or this company's negligence have changed my whole life. That's what we do. We put you back in the driver's seat. We start getting you those wins. We get you those incremental successes. And you're going to feel what CLS Law Group's all about. If you've been injured in an accident, feel free to give us a call. I'm happy to help.